Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Jill and today I am packing for Disney World. I have laid out everything on my bed, so I think this is everything I need, and these are actually just my packing cubes, not things that I'm like taking with me, but I think this is it. I am going for only 4 nights total, and that counts a night at the airport hotel tomorrow. And yes, I said tomorrow because this is the most last minute packing I have ever done. It is Thursday night and Friday afternoon we go to the hotel. I don't like this feeling. It's not something I want to do again, but we're only going for 2 full days at Disney, so I don't need a lot, which is what I was telling myself when I kept putting off the packing. Like I said, I think I have everything here, and other than the things that I need to use like tonight, but as soon as I get ready for bed and like take my makeup off and do all that, I can pack those things as well. I am taking my away luggage. This is the large suitcase, but I'm going to pack my small carry-on with my stuff and then put the carry-on in here. I plan on bringing home a lot more than I am taking, potentially. So let's just get started and try to fit all of this into packing cubes and then into my luggage. So if you've seen any of my other packing videos, I swear by packing cubes. They have changed my travel life for sure. So this is the packing cube I keep all of my other packing cubes inside of. This is my biggest one. So this is the one I'm going to try to use. Over here I have my travel day outfits. I'm going to wear a Spirit jersey and a little like shorts, one-piece romper thing, and a t-shirt for when we get there. Sneakers and socks. Perfect. So that I'm gonna take in a bag with me to the hotel and keep it kind of like separate for the morning so I don't have to unpack my bag when I'm at the hotel. First full day at Disney outfit is here. I also am kind of planning on hopefully buying some t-shirts, maybe like a Halloween t-shirt or something. So these are all kind of placeholders to see if that's what I end up wearing or not. I fold everything that I put into my packing cubes as well. Just really maximize that space, even though this is like crazy to only have this amount of packing to do is very different for me. The next day I have this really cute Finding Dory like baseball jersey, I guess. We'll see if I wear it. So travel day, 2 full days, and then we travel home, and basically I'm going to wear the same thing, except I'm packing leggings to wear on the way home because I'll be coming back to Canada, which is going to be significantly colder than Florida. And those are just drying right now. My pajamas, they're Mickey and Minnie, of course. I am taking a bathing suit just in the off chance that we go to the pool. Who knows? I don't want to like not have it in case we do go. So those are all of my clothes, and they're in one packing cube. So that is fantastic. Next, I'm going to pack my backpack, which is my personal item. On the way there, it's technically my carry-on, as long as my carry-on can fit inside my big luggage and be checked. First of all, I'm going to have my purse, which is full of, you know, IDs and all those important things. But then in here, and I'm not going to pack my backpack very full, so I can put that in here and not have like 2 bags on me. I have my passport in here already. I have my loop earplugs in case I want to sleep on the plane. Taking my iPad, and I have some hauls just in case, just to be prepared. My migraine medication, my Magic Band so I can put it on immediately. And I have my cute Disney Apple Watch band, but I'm going to wear that tomorrow. So I'm just going to put that over here. A little pile that I'm working on there of things that I'll be using in the morning, but I don't want to forget them. And honestly, I think the only other thing I'm going to put in here are my like electronic charging things. I have this little pouch that I use. Oh, I'll also have this camera bag and all the things in there. But so I have my portable phone charger with that charger. It's so frustrating that everything takes different cords and has different ends to it, and it would just make life a lot easier if I only needed one type of cord for everything. This is my camera cord, so I'm not going to put that in there. This is for my e-reader and for my iPad. There we go. So I think that is everything I'm gonna put in there. Like I said, this will kind of go on the top if I want to. I don't have to, but that's what I normally do. So those are good to go, plus my camera bag. Now I'm going to get my carry-on out of here. All right, here is my carry-on. So I'm gonna take my single lone packing cube, put that in there. I am taking my Crocs. I'm wearing my sneakers, which I will probably wear every day, but I thought if it is a super rainy, all day, going to be downpouring kind of day, I want to wear my Crocs, so I'm going to take those. I have my jewelry case. I have a few things in there. My glasses, make sure they're actually in the case. That's good for that side. And in this pocket, I have this mirror that I always take when I travel. It can prop up like that, so if there's not a lot of room in the bathroom, people are in there, I can get ready elsewhere. Take my hair tools. I have like my little mini straightener and then a beach waver, which, why are they so big? It's just so unnecessary, don't you think? Is that it? I'm like, what? So over here, this is my makeup. So as soon as I like get ready tomorrow, finish my makeup, I will pack that. Put my perfume in here. There's that. Here's my camera bag. So as soon as I'm done filming this, I'll put this back in here. My hairbrush that I need to pack, but I'll use it tomorrow. This is my nighttime lip treatment. So I will use that tonight and then pack that. Like I said, I will use my watch band tomorrow. And then my AirPods, which I will need tomorrow as well, but then I will pack. So that's my little cluster of things I need. In the bathroom, I currently have my toiletry bag, like I said. Basically, as soon as I'm done filming this, I will get ready for bed, do all of that, and so then I can pack the majority of that away, except for like my toothbrush that I'll use in the morning. And the thing that keeps me most on track when I'm packing, especially when you're packing but you don't have like duplicates of things, so you're having to wait and pack but not forget those things, is a list. So I have a list on my computer. I highlight everything that I still need to pack so it stands out to me. So on the list to remember to pack, I have my leggings, like I said, they're drying right now. My contacts, the solution, the case, all that, my makeup, my face cream, skincare, toner, serum, all of that fun stuff, my hairbrush, my sunglasses, which I could probably pack, but that's okay, they're on the list, my camera, microphone, charger, all of the things for my camera, my charging pad. I have like a pad that charges my AirPods, phone, and watch all at once, so I always take that, but obviously I have to use that tonight. My AirPods, my e-reader, which I will use tonight as well, already have the charger, and my eye mask, which I will also be wearing tonight in bed. Is that it? That's crazy. I guess that's it. So I literally have this whole half of my luggage free. So if I just put, I have this and I have my toiletry bag, which will fit there with no problem. I think that's it. This is probably the quickest I have ever packed, but also the most stressful packing for some reason. I always say, no matter if I'm going for like 3 nights or 21 nights, I still need all the same things. Like I still need a hair tool, I still need my same makeup, I still need shoes and like my jewelry case and my camera stuff and my iPad. Like there's those certain things that if I'm gone for more than 2 nights, I'm going to bring them. So it doesn't matter, it's just the clothes that I need less of when I'm going for less time. So that's awesome. I feel actually much better now that I have like actually packed and done my little piles. Plus, that means I have this whole suitcase to fill with purchases. I've got big plans for the things that will be going in there. Oh, I almost forgot mini ears. That would have been a disaster. I'm gonna take my Scarlet Witch ears. I could go classic mini, but the Scarlet Witch ears are so comfortable. And I mean, I'll probably buy a pair there, but at least that's a good option to have. I'm literally going to the parks for 2 days, but whatever. Tidy this up so that it doesn't look like a disaster in my room and I can be a little more organized for the morning. I say the morning, but I do work tomorrow and we're going like in the afternoon afterwards, but I work all day, so I kind of have to be prepared for everything. When I grabbed my Scarlet Witch ears, I remembered that I wanted to pack a couple other packing cubes just in case I buy any clothing or soft things that can go in here. I'm gonna pack those with my ears, just some empty packing cubes, and put those in there. So we will zip this one up for now. Empty one I will zip up, and then I have my pile here, my pile in the bathroom. There, I'm done. Wow. I feel like it has been a very busy couple of weeks that I haven't even really let it sink in that we're going. Plus, because we're going for a shorter period of time than we normally go for, it just seems like different or something. And so it just keeps slipping my mind that like, oh, we're gonna be at Disney World like so soon. So I'm very, very, very excited. This made me even more excited because I feel a little more organized with everything. But thank you so much for coming with me as I packed for Disney, and make sure you're subscribed to see the upcoming vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.